please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Saltwater pools can offer a simple, gentler approach to pool care, but they also have unique needs that require unique expertise. The BioGuard Certified Salt Pool Expert symbol signifies that your BioGuard dealer is thoroughly trained to understand how these systems and product treatments work. They can advise you on best practices to help you keep your pool care routine simple. For instance, they'll let you know that pH tends to run high on salt, so you need to keep an eye on water balance. Or that salt cells are prone to calcium scaling, a chalky white substance, making them work inefficiently or even fail sooner than expected. They also know generated chlorine is not stabilized and will fade away quickly, causing additional runtime to keep up with demand. Knowing these and other simple truths help BioGuard dealers keep your salt pool performing at peak condition, and why they also offer unique products for better saltwater care. The Mineral Spring system takes only 5 minutes a week and creates optimum conditions in your salt pool. Or the Saltscapes line, designed specifically for saltwater pools to keep your pool sparkling and protect valuable equipment and surfaces. Trust your pool to a certified salt pool expert, your local BioGuard dealer, and ask them about the right solutions for you and your saltwater pool.
Thanks for watching.